Well, good morning, everybody. We're down here in the lower rice fields. There are 10 small rice fields down here. They're actually my neighbors who live right there and we rent the rice fields from them. So kind of my project the next couple days, and we've already been at it a few days, is to clean up the jungle. As you can see, this was plowed, oh boy, back in November. So you're looking at about 2 months of jungle growth here. And I came in here with the cutter and cut most of it and to kind of get a start on it. And of course then we piled it up in this little spot right here and let it dry out and burn it. But as you can see, like I said, this is back uphill towards our pig pens, and of course right there is the back side of the dam and as I saunter up here a little bit, oh, if I don't trip and fall, this is actually the line of our property here. The lower line of our property is right here, and as we kind of go up the other way and ends where the tree line is there in that direction. So everything below here, like I said, is rice fields, and there's 10 small ones. We get about 3 bags of rice, about 150 kilos when we plant it, if we got a good wet season. We never planted it this fall because it didn't start raining till the middle of November, and usually we're almost done with the first crop by then. So, and I definitely need the rain and the water up here because I'm up at a higher elevation. So, and I can actually drain the pond to water it down here, but because it's been so dry and that, not even worth planting. And like I said, the pond didn't even get to overflow until right before Christmas. So it's been one of those years. Like I said, 2018 was the year of the drought. So we're going through here, cutting everything, raking everything, and getting it ready at least. I'll probably have the guy come in and plow again because all these weeds that are here, all these weeds have got to go. And that's a long, tough job, and the best time to do it is after he's done plowing because so much of it is loose and you can just basically walk through and pick the weeds. And that's probably what we'll do at the time. And that's so, but along the hillside there, oh, it was thick brush. And like I said, I just got done cutting it this morning. That was the first thing I did. I like getting up early, and then between 6 and 8, 6 and 9, I do most of my work. It's cool, and it's an overcast day today, so a little bit cooler, so really nice. And of course the property next to this, up the hill there, is going to be for sale, I guess. At least part of it's going to be for sale. They're clearing it off. They have been clearing it off for the last couple months. So we're trying to get some more information on that. As you can see, Little followed me down again here, and that she likes, oh yeah, she follows Pa here, and knows wherever I am, it's pretty well safe for her. So she enjoys, and of course you can see some of the other dogs down here too, and they like to follow us. So kind of wander over here a little bit, and wow, actually looks like the sun could pop out here, but this is the second pile that we burnt, so you can see about how big it is here as I'm sliding down the hill here. So yeah, like I said, you can see about how big it's been, and we've already, this is our second pile, and Andoy here is piling up another stack to burn and that. But yeah, you got to go through and clean. Like I said, the jungle comes back so quick here, and add a couple months and everything is overgrown, and you don't want to let it get too wild and crazy. You still got to clean her up once in a while, and I come down here probably at least twice a year and do this and clean it up. So I'm gonna let you all folks go. Thanks for viewing. Like and subscribe. More coming from the farm here, Philippine Expat Garden and Farm, and we'll be back with you shortly.